Now it's time to grout. If you use stones like these, make sure you read the instructions on the package. Some stones require a sealer before you grout because the grout can change the color of the stone. I mixed my grout to a peanut butter consistency. I'm using unsanded grout. Because my grout lines are 1/8 inch, I don't need to use sanded grout. I'm using my rubber trowel to put the grout on the walls. And you want to work it in really good. You want to work it in at a little bit of an angle. Make sure you work it in really good. The grout doesn't go all the way to the bottom, you can get cracks. After about 15 minutes, get your sponge and squeeze it out really good, and then clean off the excess grout. Rinse it off, and then go over it again. I'm on the last and one of the most important steps today, sealing the grout. Grout is not waterproof and you really need to apply a grout sealer. The one I'm using is for sanded and unsanded grout. Do a little research on the type of towel you're using because it may need to be sealed also. The supplies you need are grout sealer, a soft bristle brush or a sponge brush, and a damp washcloth. It's recommended that you wear gloves. You want to run your brush over the grout line and make sure you wipe off any excess that lands on the tile within 5 minutes because it will leave a residue. And you may want to set a timer for about 4 minutes because once this stuff gets on, it's hard to get off. This little applicator actually works pretty good. About 30 minutes after you apply the first coat, go back and apply a second coat. Then we're going to wait about 2 hours and do a waterproof test. Who said you can't put flowers in the showers? I have to spring it up some way. It smells so good. Just got the fixtures on. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now I'm going to make sure the grout is waterproof. I rinsed out this bottle and added water. I'm going to apply it to the grout and watch for it to bead up. Can you see how it's beaded up and the water hasn't absorbed? That's exactly what we want. I'm going to be using this tub and tile silicone because it says it's 100% waterproof and it never cracks, never shrinks, never breaks down, and never washes away. So it should be good. Back to work. There's no time to stop and smell the flowers. Now the shower is complete and ready to use. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be texturing the walls. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos.